family, welcome to my channel. Miss Dosha here. Today we are going to cook African village vegetables. Kindly, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment, and share it to your friends. Let's get into it. This is kabichi. I will then go ahead to prepare it. With kabichi specifically, just before cutting, let me know in your village what is your preference. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. This is Giriamaland, Coastal Kenya, Africa. And today's ingredients are karoti, green, yellow pepper, onions, and tomatoes. And these are neighboring dogs they've visited. Quickly, I will place the pan on fire. This is coconut cooking oil. Once it's hot enough, I will then add the ingredients. Finally, I will add tomatoes and cook it for some time. I will then go ahead to add turmeric, salt, and allow it to cook for some time. Let me know in your village how you do cook it. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. This is Giriamaland, Coastal Kenya, Africa. Kabichi is ready. For those who are new, just a snip of this channel. Other than cooking videos, we also have routine videos. If you've not watched this, I will link the video above. In an African village with such a sweet traditional vegetables, you cannot miss warimbom. This is ugali. Let's then go ahead to enjoy the food. You're welcome. Kindly, if you've not subscribed to my channel and yet to turn your notification bell on for you to be notified when a new video is up, please do so. Like, comment, and share it to your friends. Remember, at Miss Dosha's family, we always remind you to be your own kind of successful beauty. Peace.